Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an everyday vegetable that's often overlooked but packed with incredible health benefits when eaten raw. Yes, you guessed it, onions. Stick around as we uncover 11 impressive health benefits of eating raw onions that you might not know about. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Rich in nutrients. First up, raw onions are nutrient powerhouses. They're low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamin C, B6, and folate. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and skin health, while B6 is crucial for brain development and function. Folate is vital for cell growth and metabolism. Plus, onions contain minerals like iron and potassium, which help with oxygen transport and maintaining proper cell function. Benefit 2. Heart health. Raw onions are excellent for heart health. They contain antioxidants and compounds like quercetin, which help reduce inflammation and fight free radicals. Studies have shown that quercetin helps lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaques in your arteries. Eating raw onions regularly can help lower cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Benefit 3. Blood sugar regulation. If you're watching your blood sugar, raw onions might be your new best friend. They contain sulfur compounds and quercetin, which have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. These compounds improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to respond better to insulin and effectively lower blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Benefit 4. Cancer-fighting properties. Raw onions have powerful cancer-fighting properties. They contain sulfur compounds, such as allyl sulfides, and antioxidants like quercetin. These substances help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers, by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing them from spreading. The antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Benefit 5. Boosting immunity. Did you know raw onions can significantly boost your immune system? They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which strengthen your immune response. The sulfur compounds in onions also have antimicrobial properties, which help fight off infections and keep your body healthy. Regular consumption of raw onions can help you stay more resistant to common illnesses like colds and flu. Benefit 6. Antibacterial properties. Raw onions possess natural antibacterial properties. They can combat harmful bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, reducing your risk of foodborne illnesses. The sulfur compounds in onions are responsible for these antibacterial effects, helping to inhibit the growth of bacteria and other pathogens in your body. Benefit 7. Improved digestion. Raw onions are rich in fiber and prebiotics, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. The fiber in onions helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Prebiotics, on the other hand, feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut health. Benefit 8. Anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks to their high antioxidant content, raw onions have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin, in particular, helps reduce inflammation by neutralizing free radicals and inhibiting inflammatory pathways in the body. This can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role in joint pain and stiffness. Benefit 9. Bone health. Raw onions may improve bone health. They contain compounds that can help increase bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can help prevent bone loss, making them especially beneficial for older adults and postmenopausal women who are at a higher risk of osteoporosis. Benefit 10. Skin and hair health. Raw onions are also good for your skin and hair. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions can help improve skin tone, reduce acne, and promote hair growth. Vitamin C in onions supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. The sulfur compounds can also improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Benefit 11. Detoxifying the body. Finally, raw onions can help detoxify your body. They contain amino acids like methionine and cysteine, which assist in removing toxins and heavy metals from your body. These amino acids bind to harmful substances and help flush them out, keeping your body clean and healthy. Detoxification is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. There you have it, 11 impressive health benefits of eating raw onions. So next time you're preparing a salad or a sandwich, don't forget to add some raw onions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. See you next time!